welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So I am super excited because, as you can see in the thumbnail, one of my favorite subscriptions has come in, and that is GlobeIn, and this is for July 2019. Now today I am only going to be unboxing the actual July theme box because your girl went a little bit crazy with add-ons, and I'm still waiting on some of them to come in. I do have about half of the order, but yeah, I spent like $1,400 in add-ons. So that will be a separate video. So today we are just going to do what was the July theme, and that was the Sizzle Box. For those of you that do not know, GlobeIn is an amazing subscription. You receive so many beautiful items, and I mean, it can be like, one month was like this ice cream sundae set, like with the glasses and the scoop and straws and little dishes for toppings, and we received last month like a picnic basket and different things. But the good thing is, if you don't really care for the theme of the month, they usually have about 4 to 5 different themes you can choose from. So you actually get to pick, and sometimes the themes are from previous months. So if you missed out, you can actually maybe get the theme that you wanted and weren't able to get. So that's really awesome. So this is Sizzle, and it looked so cute. I can't wait. I do have a link I will put down below. If you have not signed up for GlobeIn, I definitely recommend you give them a try. They are amazing. Like I said, this is becoming one of my favorite. It definitely is in my top 3 subscriptions, period. I love this so, so much. But my link that I'm gonna put down below will get you your first box. You ready? For $10. That's it. No shipping, no tax, just $10. You cannot beat it. Normally the subscription is $40 with $10 shipping. So basically you're just paying for shipping. With my link down below, you can try it for $10. So let's get in here. Let's see exactly what everything with July was about and looks like, and I just can't wait. So, box cutter. I am so excited. But seriously though, can we talk about the fact that it's like about to be August? Like, is it me, or has this year just flown by? Like, it's just crazy to me how fast this year has gone by. One thing about GlobeIn too that I like, well, 2 things. One, they package everything very well. I mean, everything is gonna be safe and secure. Also, they always include a little pamphlet that tells you about each of the items, and generally will tell you about one of the individuals that makes the items. And I think that that is so awesome. And you find out, you know, a little bit about them, a little bit about, you know, what their mission is. That's one thing GlobeIn gives back. They only work with fair trade or fair wage companies. So I think that is amazing. It's just all around a fantastic subscription. So like I said, I will put that link down below. So definitely give them a try. It's $10. You're not going to be disappointed, I promise. So let's move our bubble wrap and everything and see. Oh, all right, so something is right here. We'll start with this. I think I know what this is, because you do get to see everything, like I said, because you do have the option to choose between the actual theme that they select for the month or like 4 to 5 others. So, all right. Oh, there's 2 things in here. All right, so I'm actually just gonna set those right there for now, because I want to get the little pamphlet out so that I can read to you a little bit. But you see what I'm talking about? It was in a bag, it was wrapped up in paper, and then in bubble wrap. So I'm saying they... All right. So let me just take this out and find the little pamphlets. So we have everything out, and again, this is the Sizzle Box. So let's see what it says. We will start here with the first item, and it is a bamboo food tint. How cute is that? So the measurements are 9 by 13 inches. It's bamboo and synthetic netting. You just wipe it clean. It says, say hello to the artisan who made your new bamboo food tent. Quinn lives in the Sedong village. And I can't say, I know I'm going to be, it's in northern Vietnam. I'm not going to be able to pronounce the city. I apologize. With the income he makes from working with bamboo, he's able to support his wife and 3 children. That is so fantastic. Let me also read here. It will show you everything in your box and then a little bit about the theme. But I think this is so cute and so awesome for summer. Like if you're having a barbecue or something outside, you can put this over so no bugs get on it, because you know, bugs and flies and all that like to come out during the summer. All right, so this Sizzle Box was designed with your summer outdoor barbecue in mind. So throw on your bathing suit, relax by the lake, and admire dad or hubby sizzle up some sweet steaks or vegetables on the grill. Soaking up the sun will be so delicious and fun. With your beautiful new Moroccan Meze plate and stainless steel spreader, setting up an epic spread of hummus and pita, yum, chips and salsa, yum, cheese and baguette, yum, or tray of oysters on ice will not disappoint. Yum, yum, and yum. Guests will swarm to the appetizer table, serve themselves some barbecue and chimichurri with a bread roll warmed in your chindi bread basket, and top their snacks with a dribble of 4 chili hot drops for an extra zing of spice. And even on a hot, muggy, and buggy summer day, your food will be safe from pests with your handmade bamboo food tent. So jump on a pool floaty and take a load off. School's out and the weekend's on. Let's enjoy our Saturdays in the warm weather. So that is so awesome. So we have our bamboo food tent here, which is adorable and very useful, especially for outdoor picnics or barbecues. All right, so then here is the hot drops for chili, fermented for chili sauce. First of all, okay, so it's a hot sauce, but how cute is this? I mean, it's even got like these beads. Y'all, this is just like, I almost don't even want to use this because I don't know that I've ever seen a cuter bottle, I can't even talk, bottle of hot sauce. So let's see here. If it tells us anything about like what's in it, or original recipe collected by a traveler in Africa. 4 chili sauce has a distinct full-bodied fermented red chili flavor, excellent on meat grills. It's particularly good on tomato, bean and beef ragu, pizza, and smoked meat. And the ingredients, let's see, we have serrano and passion chili, lemon juice, water, sunflower oil, fermented serrano chili, fermented baby pepper chili, garlic salt, bird's eye chili. Sounds kind of hot. My husband or my dad will love this. So this is from Africa, South Africa. So that is awesome. And then here we have our little stainless steel spreader with the white handle. That is cute. This is handmade in India. The elite artisans who worked on your stainless steel spreaders are Mohid Reyes, age 27, and Maud Imran, age 25. They found comfort in home with Noah's Ark over the past 3 years. As just a short time ago, it was difficult for them to find work. They now enjoy a steady income and safe working environment. I think that is so fantastic. That's one thing, again, about this box. They find ways to help people and companies get fair wages and things, and it just blows my mind. So I love it. All right, and then our next basket, it's a basket. Our next item is a basket. It is a chindi bread basket from India. How cute is this? The handles, they're like fabric. I don't think I'll use this for bread. I think I honestly will use this like for skincare or, but it is adorable. I love it. It shows it here like kind of as a bread basket. Which, I mean, you definitely could use, but I probably will repurpose this as like a skincare or some type of organizer. So chindi weaving is one of the most sustainable art forms supported by Mather-Bhumi. The origins of chindi weaving come from a humble place. Historically, women began upcycling old cotton clothing. Y'all hear my southern twang right there? Old cotton clothing in order to create useful items for their homes to save money and resources. Cotton scraps and sustainable jute fibers are woven together and sewn to create everything from rugs and baskets to trivets. These materials get to live a second life as a beautiful, colorful home addition, such as your brand new bread basket. That is awesome. And then our final item is a Moroccan Meze plate. I will show it to you in just a second. It is wrapped up in bubble wrap. The creator behind your new Moroccan Meze plate is one of our very favorite and talented artisans, Abdeslam. Oh, I feel like I know I'm butchering that. Was born in the Meknès region of Morocco, but currently resides in Marrakech. Again, I'm butchering this and I apologize, where he and his artisan group produce ceramics. He is well respected in the artisan community for his eye-catching ceramics with amazing quality. Self-taught, and his passion for pottery is apparent in his work. That is fantastic. All right, so let me open this up for you guys to show you. I am super excited about this, to be completely honest. They call it a meze plate, but it's kind of like a chip and dip tray. And it's in bubble wrap, if you couldn't tell. How gorgeous is this? Is this not like just absolutely beautiful? I love this so much. So, I mean, you could do like chips and salsa, you could do chips and dip, you could do veggies and hummus, you could do all kinds of stuff. I absolutely love it and think it is so beautiful. So we got this gorgeous Moroccan meze plate. We got the stainless steel spreader, the South African hot sauce. Let my husband try that first. We got this gorgeous, gorgeous basket. Like, I love this basket so much. It is a bread basket, as they say, but like I said, I will probably find a different use. And then, of course, this, which will always come in handy, especially again in the summertime, a bamboo food tent to cover and keep pesky pests away. So again, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget, we do have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on, as well as the Jeffree Star giveaway going on. So you can check both of those out. If you would like to enter, please do so. And as always, leave your comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. Tell me about your day, or just what you thought of the unboxing, or just say hi. And please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Again, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.